Yeah,
matter
I ain't get it.
Okay.
I ain't get it.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. So your matter is set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. You have several options. You can either make admissions or you can set this for a trial. And the trial could be either a bench trial where I would decide if these facts actually happened, if these tickets actually happened. So if you're guilty or not, or you could have a jury trial. So what would you like to do, Mr. Bay?
I didn't get a chance to talk to the prosecutor about the legitimacy of the claims.
So that's the thing. If you're saying that this didn't happen, it sounds like you want a trial.
No, not necessarily. I would like a motion hearing to like file a affidavit to dispute some of them, but I don't necessarily want to go straight to a trial.
No, motions are only for evidentiary issues. So if you're saying like the stop was not appropriate or something to that nature, I mean, it looks like they're just kind of traffic violations. So it would have to be something like that. Otherwise, if you're saying that you didn't do what's alleged in these tickets, you want a trial.
Right, that's why I was saying before I didn't get a chance to talk to the prosecutor to even hear what the actual claims are.
I can tell you right now, sir, you are charged with, on May 30th, 2022 at 10:32 a.m. at the location of Evergreen and Outer Drive, you're charged with driver license suspended / repeat offender. And on February 2nd, 2022 at 5:01 a.m. and you're alleged to have been at the location of Southfield Freeway and then Plymouth / Warren Avenue. You are charged with no operator's license / multiple optional options. This is a state ticket, so you are alleged to have been stopped by a state police officer. And then this last ticket is the state.
I didn't hear the last part. It sounded like you said like 2 or 3 different things. And the second ticket, the last part, can you say it over again?
The last part was just that it's a state ticket. So you were alleged to have been stopped by a state police officer.
All right. Well, I didn't hear what you were saying. The actual claim was. That's the part I didn't hear.
No operator's license.
Okay.
And then the last ticket is from the same date and time and the same officer, and it's the furnished false / forged information to police officer. So those are the allegations.
Okay.
So did you want
are these payable tickets?
Yes, it would be a fine.
What so who assesses that? Like I'm just super threw off because it's saying the prosecutor talking about the things. Normally I would consult with the prosecutor to, negotiate a better deal before it goes to you.
Well, I mean, as of now, there's no offer. But I mean, if you're saying that unless you want it, I mean, the prosecutor can give you an offer. But if you're saying you didn't do this, you can set this for trial.
Okay. Well, I really honestly just wanted the suspension off my name so I can continue handling business. But if she wanted to make an offer, I would entertain what he or she was saying.
I don't deal with suspensions, but that's the Secretary of State. But if you want to wait for an offer from the prosecutor, you can do that. You can set these for trial, see if the officer appears, and see what happens.
Right. The Secretary of State said that the court, there was one, or the office down there in 36th District said that there was one issue on there that had to be removed by the judge, which caused my license to be suspended. I paid one of them, and there's one more remaining outside of the 3 tickets that there are remaining on there. So that was my first initiative. That's why I wanted to talk to the prosecutor or whoever can remove that, or if I have to pay it.
It's likely, it might have been that civil infraction that you have a couple civil infractions. But these other matters, you have to go before a judge before you can even deal with them. So there are 4 tickets that are in default. That they're civil infractions. One is registration and or plate violation, no plates, no proof of insurance, and that was from May 30th, 2022. And then you had a speeding ticket, exceed 55-mile-per-hour zone limit, and then plate, no valid plate. Here's the prosecutor. So those are already in default.
Okay. I'm just gonna look it up real quick so that everything's square real fast. 1 second. License suspension charge. So I believe it's missing.
Mr. Davis, your middle name is Landers, correct?
Yes.
Were you ready on Antoine Davis?
I am.
This is People versus Antoine Davis. Ticket number SP 1055785. Count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number SP 1222908. Count 1, driver revoked license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1358552. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive with revoked license. Ticket number SP 980305. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number 2171634. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, open intoxicant driver. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Smoky on behalf of Mr. Davis.
Say your name, sir.
Antoine Davis.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation at this time. My client would plead to open alcohol to passenger, failing to show a valid license and improper plates. The remainder of the tickets are going to be dismissed. He's waiving his rights.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to the attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of November 28, 2021 at 3:15 a.m. On that date and time, were you at near Van Dyke and Lafayette in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2017 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving when your license was suspended?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
And did you have open intoxicants in the vehicle?
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Rowe?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Of course, also satisfied the factual basis will amend count 1 to sales to display, count 2 to improper place, and count 3 to open and tax passenger. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of the $250 for 2 of the tickets. Waive the fine for the, I guess, the improper plates. $250 for the open and top, proper plate 0, and then $250 for the sale to display. And Can you have that paid by July 7th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
Yes. Can the bond I posted be applied to those fees?
Of course, sir, yes. So I'll put on the ticket to 5
Thank you.
So you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.